Equity contract note. Go to Entry menu for Equity contract note upload. Select Trade Bill Equity F&O Currency. Click on Add button. Select the broker you wish to upload. Select the demat account. Select the consultant, if any. Select your holding type. Select your investment type equity. Click on Import button. Select your broker format. Select the file path where contract note is kept. Contract note having password. Click on Upload button. Verify your contract note expenses in brokerage. Kindly verify your data with contract note. Click on Save button. Click on Search button. Search your bill. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.